Hello students, welcome on second day. The next topic will be of the matrix will be equality of matrices. What is the condition for the equality of two matrices? If two matrices are equal, then first order of matrix should be equal, and second corresponding elements will be equal. We have one example. Let A is equal to B. There are two matrices A and B. Both are equal, where A is equal to x y 3 2 of order 2 cross 2, and another matrix is B, which is equal to -1 0 u w, and order of this matrix also 2 by 2. If both matrices are equal, then what will be corresponding element should be equal, means the x at place of first row first column in the second matrix -1, which is in the at place of first row first column. It means the value of x will be equal to -1. Similarly, y will be equal to 0, and this 3 will be equal to u. It means u will be equal to 3, and 2 will be equal to w. It means value of w will be equal to 2. The next topic is addition of matrices. How will you add two matrices? Now the next topic is addition of matrices. Means how will you add two matrices? You will add two matrices if their orders are same. So let there are two matrices A and B. The order of both matrices are m cross n. If order of A is m cross n and B is also m cross n, then you will get the another matrix of the same order. And we have another example. If A is equals to 3 2 4 5 and B is equal to 4 -1 2 1. On adding A and B, the order of both matrices are 2 by 2. How will you add? For adding the matrices, you have to add the corresponding elements. Means the element of first row and first column will be added to the element of first row and first column of the second matrix. Means 3 will be added to 4. Correspondingly, 2 will be added to -1. 4 will be added to 2, and 5 will be added to 1. 3 4 7 1 6 and 6. This is resultant matrix, and the order of this resultant matrix is also the same as the matrix A and B. There are few properties related to the matrix addition. The first famous property is commutative property. Commutative property is that if there are two matrices A and B of the same order, if you add A and B, then you will get the same value as B plus A. Means the value of A plus B will be equals to the value of B plus A, where A and B, where A is equals to, it is the matrix like Aij of order m cross n, and B is also as Bij m cross n of the same order. And the second property is associative property. Associative property of addition is, if there are three matrices of the same order like A, B, C, or three matrices of the same order, if you add A, B plus C, then you will get the same value A plus B plus C. This is associative property. where A, B, C are the matrices of the same order. Means order of A will be equal to order of B and order of C all are equal. This property is called associative property. And the third property is existence of identity. Matrix. Existence of identity matrix. Identity matrix in case of addition will be zero matrix. This is O, null matrix. Matrix is additive identity matrix, because if you add null matrix with any matrix, null matrix means O, then you will get the same matrix A plus O. A where is any matrix, and O is the null matrix of the same order. If we add A and O, then you will get the A matrix. For example, let A is equals to 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, and there exists a null matrix of the same order. The order of the matrix A is here 2 cross 3, because there are 2 rows and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. The order is 2 cross 3, and you have to take null matrix of the same order 2 cross 3. All the elements of the null matrix will be 0, as we discussed in definition of and kinds of matrices. If we add A plus O, now apply the addition of matrices. In addition of matrices, you have to add the corresponding element of two matrices. 2 will be added to this 0, 2 plus 0 will be 2, 3 plus 0 will be 3, and 5 plus 0 will be 5, and similarly you will get 4, 5, 6. Sorry, here 2 will be added to 0, then you will get 2, and 3 will be added to 0, then you will get 3, and 5 will be added to 0, then you will get 5. Sorry, here will be 5, and 4 plus 0 4, and 5 plus 0 5, and 6 plus 0 6. Finally you get A, means A plus null matrix. You will get A. This null matrix is called additive identity matrix. The next property is cancellation property. There are two cancellation property. First is left cancellation. Suppose there are two matrices A and B of the same order, and C is also another matrix of the same order. If we add A plus B, if the value of A plus B is equal to A plus C, then in the left side of the B and C, the equal matrices will be cancelled. This property is called left cancellation property. It means B will be equal to C. In the right cancellation property, if A plus B is equal to C plus B, where A, B, C of the same order, then right side of the A and C of the matrices B and C, both B will be cancelled. It means the value of A will be equal to value of C. The next topic is scalar product of matrix. Suppose any number K, which is a scalar quantity, it is any number or constant, and A is a matrix. For example, let 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. If we have to multiply by K into A, this is a scalar product K into A. If we multiply K into this matrix 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, the multiplication of K in all the elements of the matrix, K multiply into 2, 2K, 3K, 4K, 1 into k, 2 into k, 2k, and 5k. Now next topic is negative of a matrix. Suppose scalar number is k, the value of k is -1, and we have a matrix A. For example, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. This matrix of order 2 cross 3 because there are 2 rows and 3 columns. If you multiply, we have to find the value of ka, and here the value of k is -1, and the matrix is 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. Now we have to multiply this -1 into all the elements. This is -2, -3, -1, -4, -2, and -1 into 5, -5. And here will be k is -1 into a. This is minus a, which will be equal to -2, -3, -1, -4, -2, and -5. This is negative matrix of A. Subtraction of matrices. Suppose there are two matrices of the same order, A and B. We have to subtract A minus B, we have to find. How will you find? We know that A minus B can be written as A plus minus B, where minus B is the negative of the matrix B. How will you subtract both matrices? Let an example. Let A is equals to 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 7, and B is another matrix of the same order, 3, 1, 0, 2, 5, 1. We have to find the value A minus B. First you have to write the value of A, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 7, and minus. Now write the matrix B. This is 3, 1, 0, 2, 5, 1. To find the value of A minus B, we have to subtract the corresponding element. First element 2 minus 3, this 4 minus 1, and 1 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, and 5 minus 5, and 7 minus 1. The value of this will be 2 minus 3 is -1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 1, 0, 0, and 6. Now the next topic is multiplication of two matrices or more than two matrices. When multiplication of matrices is possible and when not, how will you decide? There is a logic. If there are given a matrix A of order m cross n and another matrix B of order n cross p, what here, how can you say that the multiplication of these two matrices is possible or not? Multiplication is possible if number of column in the matrix, first matrix A, is equal to the number of row in the second matrix B, then multiplication of A and B is possible. If here order of matrix A is m cross n and B is n cross p, then you will get another matrix of order C. What will be the possible order of the matrix C? Here number of column and number of row both are same, then possible order of the resulting matrix will be m cross p. Multiplication is possible when number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row of the second matrix. If both are equal, then multiplication is possible, otherwise not possible. Let an example. If order of matrix is 2 cross 3 and B is 2 cross 3, what A into B is possible? A into B is not possible, because number of column in A is not equals to number of row in B. Here number of column is 3 and number of row is 2, so A into B is not possible. If there are given a matrix A of order 2 cross 3 and another matrix of order B 3 cross 3, here multiplication of these two matrices is possible, and order of the resulting matrix will be, there are number of column is 3 and number of row is 3, both are equal. It means multiplication of these two matrices is possible. If we cancel both, then you will get 2 and 3. It means order of the resulting matrix will be 2 cross 3. Now next step is how will you multiply the given matrices. Let an example A matrix of order 2 cross 2 and B matrix of order 2 cross 2. We have to multiply what first of all we have to see multiplication is possible or not. To check this, first of all we have to see the number of column in first will be equal to the number of row in the second. To find the value of A into B, this is possible because the number of column will be equal to the number of row. The order of the resulting matrix will be also equal to the 2 by 2 because the first is 2 and the last is here 2. The resulting matrix is also of order 2 by 2. Now start the multiplication. How will you multiply this? To multiply this is the first row. You have to multiply the matrix A and B. We have to multiply by the first row into the first column. First row into the first column, because we have to write here the element of first row and first column, and we have to write here first row second column, and here first row second row first column and second row second column. To write the first element which is of first row and first column, we have to multiply it by first row with the first column. The first element is 2 and the here first element is 1, so 2 into 1 plus, and the second element 3 into 5, and we have to write here the second element of this matrix. This will be of first row and second column. It means we have to multiply it first row with the second column. 2 into 2 will be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3, and here to write this element of second row and first column, we have to multiply second row with the first column. 4 into 1 plus, and 2 into 5. To write this element, we have to multiply the second row and second column. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Write it. 2 into 1 2 and 3 5 is 15, 15 to 17, and 2 2 is 4 and 3 3 is 6, 4 10, 4 1 is 4. Sorry, here will be 2 2 is 4 and 3 3 is 9, 4 9 13 by mistake. Okay, 4 1 is 4 and 2 5 is 10, 14, and 4 to the 8, and 3 to the 6, 14. Now let's take an example. There are two matrices of same order. There are matrix of order 3 cross 3 and another is of order 3 cross 3 also. How will you multiply? Before multiplication we have to check multiplication of A into B is possible or not. To check this, the number of column is equal to the number of row, and the resulting order will be 3 by 3 also, because this first and this last will make the order of the resulting matrix. How will you multiply? The resulting matrix of order 3 cross 3, there will be 9 elements. Here will be first row first column, and here first row second column, and first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, and third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column. So first you write the element of first row and first column. To write this element we have to multiply first row with the first column. This first row 3 to 1 multiply with the 1 to 3, 3 multiply with the 1, this will be 3, plus 2 multiply with this 2, 4, 1 multiply by 3, 3. Okay, to write this element of first row and second column, first row 3 to 1 and second column is 2 1 1. 3 multiply with the 2, this will be 6, plus 2 multiply with the 1 2, and 1 multiply with the 1. Now the third element of the first row, this is first row and third column. So it means to write this element we have to multiply first row with the third column. First row 3 to 1 multiply with the 3 3 2, 3 multiply with the 3, 9, plus 2 multiply with the 3, 6, and 1 multiply with 2. To write this element we have to multiply second row with the first column, 2 multiply with the 1 2, plus 4 multiply with 2, 8, 6 3 is 18. Now write this element second row second column, second row second column, 2 multiply with this 2, 4, plus 4 multiply with the 1, 4, 6 multiply with 1 6. To write this second row third column, second row third column, 2 multiply with the 3 6, plus 4 multiply with 3 12, plus 6 to the 12, right, 12. Now this element third row first column, third row 1 to 5 multiply with this 1 2 3, 1 1 1, plus 2 to the 4, and 5 3 is 15. To write this element second row third row second column, third row 1 to 5 multiply with this column, 1 2 the 2, plus 2 1 the 2, plus 5 1 the 5. To write this element of third row third column, third row multiply with the third column, 1 multiply with the 3, plus 2 multiply with 3 6, plus 5 multiply with 2 10. Now complete solution. This will be 3 4 3 7 10, 3 10, 9 17, 28, 14, and here will be 6 plus 12 plus 12 30. This will be 1 4 5 20, 2 2 4 5 9, and 3 6 9 10 19. Hello student, with the help of all these videos, this will be helpful to solve the exercise 3.1 and 3.2. you can solve with the help of this. Okay, try to solve and raise your carry.